The fashion design program, it is a 2-year program here at North Tech. It teaches the students from start to finish everything they need to know to be successful in the fashion industry. So we learn design skills, so the elements of design, actually sewing skills to put those elements of design into practice to create original fashion designs.
During your junior year, you more focus on like the technicalities as like the fundamentals and learning like each of the elements of color, design. And your senior year is more focused on applying those technicalities to your work.
Each day in the senior class, the students are going to write their plan for the day on their own individual sewing projects in order to meet those deadlines. It helps the students become more independent and have more autonomy over their time, because in the fashion industry, no one is really checking to say, oh, did you finish that button? Oh, did you finish that? It's like, hey, I need this dress in 2 weeks. So if you make it all in one day, great, but plan and pace yourself to make it over that time.
Currently, we're working on the fashion design looks for the Lindenwood Fashion Show. I'm working on a denim skirt made out of pockets from denim jeans.
We have another fashion show at the end of the year. It should be around April or the beginning of May. And that's going to be an entire collection full of our pieces. Not just one look, but a whole collection of them.
They make their own press release, flyers, tickets, and everything, so they learn how to promote fashion. We also learn visual merchandising, so the students go on field trips outside of school. We like to visit Tailor Loft because we have a partnership with them, and we do window displays and store setups.
It's not only fashion design, it's not only just designing, a dress or a piece of clothing. It really goes in depth in the textile industry as well as just working with people.
When you go to college, you're gonna learn the same stuff that we're learning in this classroom, and you're doing it here for free.
You get AFAC certification, American Association of Family and Consumer Science. It's a certification that is recognized nationwide for colleges, and it's just something good to have on like a resume and things like that.
Within the classroom as well, students have access to all of our printing process material. That includes like screen print, graphic tees, things like that. Those sublimation prints, vinyls. Every t-shirt you see, we can do it. They can explore burlap, linen, silk, cotton, polyester.
I feel like you will really have a great time here. Miss D is an amazing teacher. I cannot stress that enough. She is an amazing teacher, not only for fashion design, but just real life in general.
There's going to be teachers on your head, but in a very endearing way.
Every student who I've talked to loves Tech. Like, Tech is home for our students.